everyone. My name is Vadini. Today we are going to learn about types of Internet Security Protocol. In today's world, we transfer the data in bulk. The security of this data is very important. So, Internet security provides that feature. That is production of data. There are different types of protocol exists like routing, mail transfer, and remote communication protocol. But the internet security helps in the security integrity of data over the internet. There are many protocol. Protocol means where the particular conditions or particular rules have been applied that exist and that help in the security of the data over the internet, such as SSL and TLS. Let's learn about in more detail about Internet Security Protocol. The first security protocol is SSL protocol, that is Secure Socket Layer Protocol, which is an encryption based Internet security protocol that provides confidentiality and integrity of data. It is used to ensure that the privacy and authenticity of the data over the internet. SSL is located between the application and transport layers. At first, SSL contained the security flaws and was quickly replaced by the first version of TLS. TLS is the transfer layer protocol. That's why SSL is a predecessor of the modern TLS encryption. Both TLS and SSL websites has HTTPS in its URL rather than HTTP. SSL is divided into three sub-protocols. First is handshake protocol, the record protocol, and the alert protocol. Let's continue with TLS protocol. Same as SSL, TLS stands for Transport Layer Security and is widely used for privacy and security of data over the internet. TLS uses the pseudo-random algorithm to generate the master secret, which is a key used for the encryption between the protocol client and the protocol server. The TLS is basically used for encrypting communication between online servers like a web browser loading a web page in the online server. TLS has three sub-protocols, same as SSL, that is handshake, record, and alert, like SSL. The third one is SHTTP. That means Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is a collection of security measures like establishing strong passwords, setting up a firewall, thinking of antivirus protection, and so on, designed to secure internet communication. It includes data entry forms that are used to internet data, which has previously been collected into a database. It has one more feature, that is it works at the application layer that defines the shared communication protocol and interface methods used by hosts in a network. It can also authenticate and encrypt the HTTP traffic between the client and the server. Here it also operates on a message by message basis. It can encrypt and sign individual messages. The fourth protocol is SET protocol, which means security electronic transaction, is a method that ensures that the security and integrity of the electronic transaction made using the credit cards. SET is not the payment system, rather than it is a secure transaction. And here it is also used via the internet. It provides the following services. It establishes the safe channel of communication between all parties and engaged in the e-commerce transaction. The It provides the confidential information in only available parties. The set protocol is cardholder, merchant, issuer, acquire, etc. Payment gateway, certification, authentication. So these are more two protocols, that is PEM and PGM. PEM is basically stands for the privacy enhanced mail and is used for email security over the internet, whereas the PGP protocol is pretty good privacy. And here it includes the source code documentation. This is it for this video. If you like our channel, to like and subscribe our video.